This is the back side of the chicken coop. This is the whole lay area, but as you can see, it's dated, rotten out. And the other time I come over here, I actually find some possum. I tried tear out the side of it. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off and close this up because we already built a new section down there so we then can lay in. So this is a new local lay area right here. So they have 3 little ears where they can lay in. We had to take out the egg them this morning. So I'm going to go ahead and close up that hole down there. So this is what it look like from the inside. As you can see. Now it's time. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that. So this is the piece that we're going to put over it. We had to knock off the whole box. We're going to go ahead and clean up the area. Get rid of all of this dry rotten out wood. And just put on the next piece. So here it is. We're going to put a couple more screws in it. Make sure so the girl them safe from all of the possum and raccoon who always try bother them. So just a quick little job. Pan the farm, grandma farm, mama farm. So we're going to go ahead and clean up the ear and everything. Cut off the end of these nails. And job well done. Alright, until next time, you know what to do.